Day 18 off grid, and we are planting out our first bed since winter. So I've got some broad beans here, or Vicia Faba if you want to use its fucking stripper name. I've got to get some soil compaction to make this suitable for planting after I rotivated it the other day, but I don't have a fucking machine, so this is the best I've got. Kinda works, kept on falling off though. These are the first things that are going out for a couple of reasons. Firstly, as a legume they're going to re-nitrify the soil, add nutrients back into it, and then secondly, broad beans don't die on a frost, which we're still going to expect this time of year. I've done this as a standard market garden bed, so 15 metres long and then 4 rows, 1 foot apart each with a 2 foot gap in the centre. You can see all of this mycelium in the bark chippings that I'm adding as a centre furroway. That's going to help go some way to restore the natural microbiome of the soil after the tillage. And then the bark chippings themselves are going to help build that topsoil layer whilst acting as a weed suppressant. And then if I just fucking edit a few hours of my life away, and boom, we've got full bed ready to go. I started a willow and netting this just to keep pests off it, but never got that finished today, so I'll bang that in tomorrow's video.